Instead of watching long YouTube videos over and over, you can turn them into a simple infographic using AI in seconds. Okay, so first off, an infographic is a visual way of presenting information using text, icons, and graphics. It helps simplify complex ideas so they are easy to understand at a glance, as you can see in the right image here. I thought to do this tutorial because it helps you turn long videos or content into quick, easy to understand, shareable visuals. It also saves time and makes content more engaging and shareable. Let me show you how this is done. This particular video shows you how to create a professional product photo using Pomeli AI without a studio or photographer. It walks you through turning a simple product image into high quality marketing visuals in minutes. So we simply copy the URL of this video. We come here, we go to share, we click on the share button, then we click on copy. So this copies this into our clipboard. Next thing now is to open Google Gemini and log into your account. We simply paste the link into Google Gemini and prompt it to analyze the contents of the video. This is me pasting my link. Okay, so I prompted it to analyze the contents of this video deeply. This is my link here. Then summarize the key ideas, main points, and important insights in a clear and structured format. Next is to click on send. Next thing now is to, next thing now is to let Gemini analyze. So Gemini will analyze the video and give you a structured summary of the main concept. It says, this video provides a tutorial on Pomeli AI, a tool designed to transform simple product photos into high quality professional studio grade marketing images without the need for an expensive setup or a photographer, which is exactly what the video is about. So he spoke about the key ideas and the main points, the workflow inside, the customization, everything, the template, aspect ratio of everything that was used in the video. Next thing now is to turn on the image tool so we can convert this into a visual infographic. We click create image, we come here to tools, we click on it, we click on create image here. Okay, so after this analysis of the video that Gemini gave to us, next thing is to generate the infographic. So I come here, I put in a prompt for Gemini to do that. So I said, based on this analysis, generate a clean and professional infographic summarizing the key ideas. Use a modern layout with clear sections, icons, and visual hierarchy. The style is to be minimal, white background, bold headings, and easy to read text. So also ensure the create image tool is turned on. The next thing now is to click on send. So let's just wait while Gemini does the work for us. Gemini is already done with that. So let's take a look at this infographic. We can see it's talking about the video content. Transform product photos with AI, Pomeli AI tutorial, brand DNA extraction, the logo font. Simply talked about the steps and the processing of Pomeli AI generating the photo shoots from the scratch. Extract brand colors, logo fonts, style summary, edit that, then select products and templates. It define the aspect ratio, generate and download. So basically, this infographic is just talking about the steps that Pomeli AI took to be able to get the end result. We can see the key benefits here: professional studio look, efficient and automated, consistent branding, no expensive setup required. You can see it's already broke down the video from start to finish with just one image. You can now download the infographic and use it for social media, presentations or learning. And just like that, you can turn any YouTube video into a clear visual infographic using AI. You can now download the infographic and use it for social media presentations or learning. And just like that, you can turn any YouTube video into a clear visual infographic using AI. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more AI tools like this. Thank you. Bye.